need of a tool and we learn about that tool, probably that tool is not going to be helpful to us. So what my concept here is to talk about a tool which seems to be a very useful tool in our classroom resources. So yes, when I talk about managing classroom resources, what things come to our mind? The first thing that comes to our mind is to store e-resources. So before I begin with the topic e-resources, right now I've used e-resources because yes, past 3 months we all have been a great warrior of Corona. Now people might be talking about doctors, nurses, they might be talking about the routine workers and all those who are working hard for striving in this Corona pandemic. But what I consider here is we, the educators, are also a part of this warriorship because we all are working hard every day in, day out to keep the education community rise. So, what do we do every day? We attend this type of webinars, we want to learn something new, we want to establish something new in our classroom. And yes, I guarantee you before the end of the session, yes, I'm very extremely sorry for starting it so late. But by 5:30, I assure that this W which you're seeing on my screen is an icon of Wakelet, and that would be with all of you. And all of you would have signed in into Wakelet and you will be using Wakelet into your classroom. At least you will learn the basics how to do it and then you can plan your lesson accordingly. So first thing I will talk about is to store e-resources. When I say e-resources, what comes to our mind? Let's see a simple thing, e-resources. What do I want for my class? A PDF? Yes, I want to teach from a PDF, a PowerPoint presentation probably. Or you may be looking forward for something which is known as image, video, GIF, animations, so many things. Certain times I watch something on my Facebook social media or a Twitter media page. I want to incorporate it into Wakelet. So these are the small e-resources which we want to share with our students. But what happens? We can share, no doubt. You can just open internet like right now a class is going on and I can just go to Google Chrome and I go here and I just put down here this let me go here and just type google.com and I can search and I can show something. But what is the problem with this? On the spot, when you search for a video, on the spot, when you plan a resource and show it to your students, the first problem what we are going to face in our classroom is internet connectivity, probably the speed. The second thing what you are going to face is time. You know, for becoming a best teacher, for becoming a, as sir says that I'm a national ICT educator. Now, becoming an ICT educator is a very simple task. You know, you all could be a future national ICT educator or national awardee for teachers. The only thing what we want is manage the classroom time. If we have managed our classroom time well, then forget everything. You are best with your class. So make sure that you manage your classroom time well. You get along with the time, whatever that 45 minutes of class, your resources are well planned. And let's learn about Wakelet today, which will help us to achieve this. It will store, it will organize, and it will help you to share and collaborate. Three things. We want resources, we want it in a proper manner, and we want to use that resources with our students. So let's move to the next slide over here. And I was talking about Wakelet. Please note down the spelling because you are going to use this to search for Wakelet on Google. Wakelet, Wakelet. So now some simple steps to go to Wakelet. You can open Google Chrome and just type Wakelet. So once you type the word Wakelet in Google Chrome, the first link you can see here, the first link which comes up here is wakelet.com, and that's where we are going to organize our resources. So first step, google.com, getting the first link wakelet.com, there you go with the second step. Now it will ask you to sign up. You know what happens when we go for a new tool, the first thing what we think is whether that tool is free. Am I going to sign up easily over there? Is there any charges for it? Yes or no? That are our questions. So I'll solve that questions here only. You can see that yes, you can sign up. It's free. You don't require anything. You don't have to create a new account. Your students don't need to create an account until and unless you have a Google, Microsoft and Facebook account. So you can see here I have to just click on sign up button after searching Wakelet. When I sign up, I can either use my Google account to link with Wakelet. I can use my Microsoft. When I say Microsoft, the same account with which Teams may you people have joined, or maybe your Office 365 account, anything. And the third is Facebook account. You can even join with your Facebook account. If you don't have any of this, if you don't have Google, Microsoft or Facebook, then with a simple step you can sign up and create your account. You can see just given my name, my email ID, my password, and I am into Wakelet. So I hope this is clear. Search for Wakelet, go to the first link, sign up with either your Google, Microsoft or Facebook account. So once you reach here, you will get an option to get started. Now get started will ask you few questions. The first question is your name which you want. So here I have given Krupali underscore S. So when you will try your name, there are billions and millions of people in the world and few of you might have the same name and surname which you are having. So probably until unless you get this word available, you need to keep on trying and click on next. You click on next. Here it is asked in what topic you are interested. See the reason behind this question. What you are interested in is very simple. That suppose I select here education and science. So it will show me more of Wakelet resources on education based or scientific based. So I need to choose and yeah, obviously who am I? I am an educator, so I have selected here education. So these are very three simple questions and you are here into your Wakelet account. So I think that was simple enough. Let's try this out parallelly. Go to Google. Go. I will just open an incognito tab. So there I go with the demo. What was the first step? Google.com. What was the second step? Search for Wakelet. I remind you again the spelling is Wakelet, all in small, no spaces in between. Enter and I have got the first link wakelet.com. I click on the link. Three simple steps to sign up as I told was just click on sign up. It's free. No need to worry about any details. Plus Wakelet is a partner with Microsoft. Why such learn? It's into partnership with Microsoft for few of the education communities also like it is with Adobe. All that softwares are linked with Wakelet, so no need to worry about your personal data privacy. So either you can connect with your Microsoft, Google or Facebook account or you can sign up with an email. I will not sign up at this point because I have n number of accounts after this trainings. You know, I've created so many accounts. So now I cannot, but I'll show you the steps. So when I click on create a new account, it will just ask me my name. So probably I'll write here Krupali as my name stands here Krupali. So I'll write name Krupali. Then some email ID. But as I've told you, my all the email IDs are already because of this training has been used up. And then a password. That's it. My account will be created. I'm going back and right now I'm continuing with my Google account. So there I go with my Google account with my Wakelet and you have to just enter your username and password when you are connecting with your Google account. I'm so sorry. Okay, so there I have logged in with my Wakelet account and the first screen what you will see. So anybody has any problem with this much can please raise your hand. It was as simple. I have just used continue with Google and I have joined with my Wakelet account. So that's signing in. I continue with my account and now my Wakelet has opened. So yes, I'll come back to this meeting screen and I look forward for the participant if any raised hand. Three simple steps so far. Then we'll move to the next one. The first simple step was creating a Wakelet, searching for Google. From Google, you are searching for Wakelet. The second step was you can sign up or sign in with your existing account. The existing account possibilities are with your Microsoft account, Google account, or Facebook account. So yes, this were the three. I think there are no raised hands. We can continue with the session. And probably, yeah, I cannot see any raised hand or no new messages in the chat box. Fine. So let's continue. Simple steps to sign up and sign in. Now, how to create a collection. But before creating a collection, let me again show you the steps here. This is a plus icon from where I can start up in Wakelet. This was my Wakelet window I created with 0 following, 0 followers. @Krupali_S was my profile ID on Wakelet, and create new collection. So when I click on create new collection, few questions are asked. The first is I can add my cover image over here. So that you simply have to click on add a cover image and upload it from your PC or select it from Google. Enter a title for your collection. Suppose I'll tell you, you are a social science teacher, you want to open up a Wakelet which you want to share with your students. So for a social science teacher, a question based on history if you're posted, that you talk to the students today in the class about Russian Revolution or French Revolution, and you pose a question there. Okay, upload some content, research on Russian Revolution or a French Revolution, and upload your resource on this Wakelet. So you can give the title Social Science Class Revolution. Description, you can mention whatever you are expecting from your students to do. And plus icon will be used by students to upload their work over here. So this is how this particular first page we are going to define to make it a collaborative copy. So let's move to the next one. Like for example, you can see I have done it ICT webinar review collection. Now this collection is created to collect reviews from educators of National ICT webinar organized by state and aspirational districts. So whenever I do I do organize any webinars or I'm a part of any webinars, I ask people to just add the text and give review of the webinars with this Wakelet. So this is how you can probably do. Now what source? We were talking about e-resources. What could be added to it? Wakelet you have created. I will show you how to create also. But after creating, what our students or we ourselves could enter over here. So you can click on this plus icon. A green plus icon is there. When you click on this plus, that means you are adding something. Now what you can add? The first thing, URL. So now you found a very good website, Classroom Resources, and you want to share that Classroom website link to your students. So probably you could use this URL over here and you could share the website link over here. Secondly, adding a text. You can type a paragraph. You have thought of something and you want to add a paragraph to it. Yes, you can add a paragraphic text also here. You want to add a YouTube video. You're watching some video and you think, okay, this video is a perfect example for photosynthesis which I can show in my class, or maybe for respiration, amoeba and about paramecium or something, or maybe in a maths you are talking about some geometrical figure which is in 3D model on YouTube. You can take that YouTube video and put it with here, YouTube option. Something on Twitter, our minister has posted, education minister, and we want to state it over here. Something from MHRD, we want to CBSE, we want to post here. It goes in tweets. Image, bookmarks, you can even bookmark some of the good posts of somebody else resources. Like I have created a Wakelet, you can take my bookmark resources also to yours. Image, yes, any photographs related to your lesson plan. Upload a PDF, entire PDF of your lesson plan. Now you don't want to create anything, you already have a PDF, so just upload your PDF here. Yes, it is linked with storage location like Google Drive and OneDrive. Google Drive, everybody is aware. OneDrive, I'm not sure if you people are aware, but if you have an Office 365 package, it is similar to Google Drive. This works with Google account and this works with Microsoft Office 365 account OneDrive. And last is Flipgrid Video. So let's have a very quick recap of how to be. Before I go for it, I'll tell you at times it happens. We are working in government schools. In government school, at times the people might be having restriction that whatever is posted should be private or unlisted. But you should not keep it on a public google.com search engine. So what happens is you can make it unlisted. Unlisted means only people with the link. Suppose you shared it to 7th A student, only class 7th will be able to see this collection. Even though I search with your name, okay, Elvisaran sir is there, so I'll write Elvisaran sir Wakelet. So I will not get it from Google because he has kept it unlisted. He kept it private, that means it's only with him. Nobody else will be able to see it. Not even the students, until unless the link is shared. And the last one is public. Public means anybody could search for your Wakelet and anybody could get back to it. So I think these are very few settings for a tool like Wakelet, and that's an amazing tool. You can see the various types of layouts we'll be able to share, and yes, how to share. Sharing your Wakelet is with a link, and now the amazing part of Wakelet comes in. It's not only a Wakelet link could be shared. You can put it up as a QR code. You can share it with your Google Classroom. You can even use it in Microsoft Teams. You can put it up on Twitter. You can announce it, Tinder, Clouds, and Facebook. So many areas are there where you can share this. Even you can copy the link and put it into any of Google Meet, Zoom, or any of the chat area of conferencing tool. Now, looking about it on a presentation based context, it becomes, oh wow, that's a good tool, but how to use it? And yes, there was a question in one of my session that, ma'am, everything is online. If I don't have internet in my school and I prepared so well online, what should I do? Yes, you have an option, export as PDF. After creating, you can export your entire lesson plan or entire content resource in a PDF, or you can embed it into your own blog or website. So these are multiple features where we can go for it. Let's go for a quick demo again. So yeah, I'll very quickly switch here, and as I told you, so here again I'll write now wakelet.com directly because I've shown you how to get into it, how to search for it. I will click on login. I will log in with my Google account, and if you have any doubts you can just raise your hand. Sir, you can moderate me and ask me that doubt so that they don't face problem later on. I think probably the incognito mode is not working, so I'll just go to let me go to my Edge browser. Okay, so I'll go here and I'll type wakelet.com. So I have shared my screen, so it's not coming. Edge is coming. Yeah, okay. Okay, so here you can see I have signed in with my Google account. This is my Google account. So you can see always every time whenever we go to any website, we see our profile on the right top corner in this type of circular icon. This is known as display picture. So I have changed my display picture so you could see my profile here, my name over here. I want to change this display picture. I can go to edit profile and change it. This is the name of my account when I created it for the first time. So I got this account name. You can see here my all the wakelets are there. All the wakelets. It is a KVS. I had a session with Kendriya Vidyalaya, so review sessions are there. I had this wakelet when we had worked on this Buddies to Ease project for Microsoft. That project collection is there. Now this is how, let me talk about, I am an IC teacher. I'm teaching computer applications to class 10. So now how did I use Wakelet? I'll just show this and then we'll go quickly for a step. So you can see class 10th computer applications. There are 255 items. That means the single Wakelet I created, 255 students collaborated on it. How to do it? Let's see. Let me show you this Wakelet which I've created with very simple steps. Now you can see my Wakelet is there. If I scroll down like this, it shows my title, class 10th computer application. It shows the number of views now 1546, 1546 have viewed this wakelet. Now it is showing the title Creative Space to Collate Blogs of Class 10 Students. I used it in a very different way. I had class 10th blog designing projects, so I generally don't create blogs for them. I ask them to create some blog and submit the URL. So now I was thinking if I'll ask them to submit the URL with email, I'll have to check 255, 350 emails, right? And in each email, separate links will be there. Please try to analyze because see now the new education policy is forcing us to think something which is based on 21 CLD. When I say 21st century learning, that means creativity, collaboration. Now we want some collaboration in this activity. So the student is posting, the teacher is checking this activity here and here. I'm clicking on her activity in the class itself and I am giving her review that don't put this color, this highlight should not be there. So this is how I can review it on the spot. And our current policy says the new policies which is going to come in 2-3 years, we are being expected to do all this. That we cannot keep any leaves unturned or any child's work without review. So that's the best platform I'm showing you. See, you can see Naishi Shah has done this. Effect of coronavirus on environment. The students are uploading file. You can see lockdown, what we have gained from it. I choose this topic because I like to get best out of my time. So now you can see all the students have submitted their link here. And if I go to this three dots I can generate a PDF of the same. The entire collection, analytics, visibility, I can make it public, private, unlisted as I mentioned. I can even delete my collection if I don't want. When I click on share, export as PDF. So you can see I'm just doing it in front of you. That collection with 255, this can take up to 60 seconds. So within 1 minute, my entire Wakelet resource which I had created will turn out to be a PDF, which I can share with my heads, principal ma'am, to the head of the organization. They can also see the kind of project our students are doing. So I think that was a very easier way to use Wakelet. See, download PDF. Now I'm just going to show you this, and after doing this, let's start with a demonstration how to do it. This was all about what is the use of Wakelet, how to get into Wakelet. Now the main part comes in how to do it. So I'm going to give you a collaborative link today in the chat area, and I want everybody to collaborate on my link today. So yeah, there goes the PDF. PDF has been converted, and I'm opening this PDF for you to have a quick view. How do the Wakelet looks like in a PDF form? So isn't it interesting? Now my all the students work, everything came in around. You see, I'm scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. I didn't had to go to Microsoft Outlook or Gmail, take one mail and post it here. Automatically everything it compiles in 33 pages. You can see here there are 33 pages. And you can see I can put it on read aloud. And it will read for me when I'm doing my household work. The Wakelet will read aloud. Is it audible? Sir, was it audible? Yeah. So read. So like for example, you have in your class someone who is not able to read the things properly. He has a problem with English. So you can make such English PDF out of Wakelet, and then you can put it on read aloud for the child. So you can have the voice option here. So what I selected, I'll prefer all of you Microsoft Nirja Online. That's a Hindi, that's an Indian accent. Generally, we face difficulty with this. Even you can set the speed whether you want it slow or fast. And this is known as immersive learning, accessibility in learning teaching process. I think that is again equally important nowadays. I hope everybody agrees to me that this read aloud feature gives an immersive feature in PDF, and this is only possible now. Your question would be, ma'am, why it is not possible in Google Chrome? For this, you need to download Edge. Microsoft Edge has this. Plus, Microsoft Edge has this also, draw feature. So when I go to draw feature, I can select pencils, pen here. And suppose this child has done very nice, I can write it here, nice, and I can give a feedback on this PDF and I can share with my students. So I hope this is understood. So this is how it is done. So you can create a PDF of your Wakelet offline also, not necessary that you need internet connection into the classroom. So I'll just leave right now this PDF and I'll get back to what we are going to do now. So let's go to home. Let's go to home. So I request all of you to just get into Wakelet first. Just go to Wakelet and sign in with your existing account. I'll give you 5 minutes to do so before I start with the steps how to create. So all of you are requested, just go to google.com and follow the steps please. I'll just put the steps part here. Go to google.com, search for Wakelet and sign up, sign in using your existing account. Just do this much. These are the steps which I've kept up. So once you do this, I will start up with a live interaction with you so that you can actually feel what your students are going to do with this Wakelet. So you search for Wakelet in search engine, sign up with your Google existing account and wait there. Then I'm going to provide you a link. So once it is done, yeah, there is no query, right, sir? So far, I cannot see any queries. Yeah, I'll be pasting that shared link for them in the chat area. I've already created one Wakelet for them. Kept it ready also. There are few links which I'll be posting in the chat area, so they can even refer that and learn from that given link also. Okay, so I have created a Wakelet form for them. I'll paste that Wakelet link. I'll open the same Wakelet here also so that they get an idea what they are supposed to do next. So meeting chat is accessible to everyone. Please confirm. Is the meeting chat area accessible to everyone? Please confirm. Okay. So right now, this is the link which I have invited to collaborate. Collaborate means you people can also add content on my Wakelet. So you simply have to in chat area and click on it. Once you click on it, it will automatically redirect to Google. So just come to that Wakelet, everyone, and I'll show you how you can add content. Now my question here is right now I have no common discussions with you on any topic, so I'll just take a review from you. Let me see how well you people are able to do this. It's very simple. You have to right now I could see 8 views are there, so 8 people have already clicked on that link. You have to go to that link. There is an option edit collection. On the top right corner, there is an option edit collection. So just click on edit collection. I can see 8 views right now on that Wakelet. In edit collection, when you will scroll down, instructions are given. You have to give a review for your Wakelet. And right now, I am also Wakelet community leader, and your Wakelet reviews, whatever you're providing over there, you please write your name, state, district designation, school name. You write the review for the training session, maybe not for the training session also, but at least I liked Wakelet because, and I will use Wakelet for. Let me see how are you going to brainstorm and use Wakelet for. So I want everybody to right now. I can see Elvis, Sir has added Yappan Krishnan. He's a teacher educator, and you can see live right now. As Sir is typing, it is shown on my screen. He is typing. He is a teacher educator at Samagra. Even yeah, I have seen. Yes, that's really collaborative. That's good. So please write your name, school. Yes, yeah, yeah. Please speak up. Yeah, please speak up. It's shared there. Yeah, definitely. I'll paste it again. Somebody has asked it. Can you please paste it again? So those who have joined just now will not be able to get it. So I'll posted it again. So please click on that link. Click on plus. Write your name. Answer. You can post it to your group where these teachers are there on your WhatsApp group. Then also it will work. So from where we are communicating with the teachers, we can post in that social media group also. Okay, so I can see many of you are writing. That's excellent. Let me see how many of you are writing. Right now I could see 10, 11, 12, 15 people there on the Wakelet. Manohar sir has just written, hello Manohar sir, how are you? Nice seeing all of you here. Then we are having, everybody is just writing their names. Please add up your review on Wakelet. So how do you find this tool and how are you going to use this tool? I want that also. I want some creative, innovative work to be done. Let's all brainstorm that there is a Wakelet. I've already added my YouTube Wakelet session in Hindi also. If you are comfortable with Hindi, I'll make sure that this session's recording also I'll put it up in this Wakelet so anybody could refer it post session. So yes, Manohar. Manohar sir, I'll just suggest one thing. You've written this is Manohar Subramaniam. Now when you will click on that again, sir, you will find two options, edit and delete. You can click on edit and add more content which is required. So I want all of you to collaborate first and let's see how to create it. Yes, sir, please continue. So you were telling something? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes, and I want them to join in because once they will join in, they will experience what their students are going to do. So that's why I want them to join once and experience it. So again, I'll repeat the steps. Yeah, I'll repeat the steps if you want, ma'am. These are the steps. Yeah, tell me, ma'am. Tell me. Okay, so sir, can you please share them where they are in a personal group? Maybe probably they're not able to access the chat box. Ma'am, please try rejoining the meeting. We'll post it again. Yeah. No, no, absolutely fine. The participant side, she can rejoin again and try. Probably. Yeah, there are 137 people right now. Okay. So let's see how they are joining. They are getting it. Everybody else, hopefully they are getting it. And once it is done, once you have posted, there is a raise hand feature. Raise your hand. So I request all of you to raise your hand once you have done, so we get an idea how many of you are able to post on it. If you are not able to post on it, you can unmute and speak to us. We'll give you 5 more minutes for that, and then we'll quickly show you two more important things of Wakelet also. Yeah, I can, and you can, yeah. So the ones those who finish can raise their hand. The ones those are not able to do can just put it up into the comment line. So Vignesh sir says he has completed. Muthu Ari sir, I am so sorry with the pronunciation. Subramanyam sir has said this is done. So those who have done can raise their hand. Those who have not done, either unmute or please put it into the chat area so that I can come to know that you are not able to do it. I would like to give more resources for science Tamil medium children, but what could I do to find? Okay, I'll help you with that, sir. Yes, please speak up. Yeah, good evening. Okay, I'll very quickly please focus on my screen, ma'am. I'll very quickly repeat the steps for you. I'll just get back to my slides. You just very quickly see here what I've done is the first thing what I did was I went to Wakelet. That is done, ma'am. Okay. Sign up is done, sign in is done, right? After this, ma'am, you have done all these three steps. Yes, you can sign up with your Google existing Google account or Microsoft account, whatever you choose to. Okay. So yes, after doing this, I have given a link. You can click on that link. There are three simple questions which you have to answer. Yeah, please tell me. Okay, now it is enabled. Yeah, great, great. I'll do that. Yeah, it is again posted, ma'am. Hope you will find that. Okay. So now you have to simply click on that link, click on that edit collection, and plus Neha ma'am, do you want to ask me something? Neha ma'am? Okay, okay. Yeah. So those who have done, please raise your hand so that we can come to know. And those who want to ask, please post into the chat area. I'll be seeing that. So okay, so let me check how many of them have got into this. Let me click on done and let's check how many items are there on that particular. So let me refresh it, reload it, and it will show me number of views, number of items posted on that wakelet. So we'll get a quick item. So 40 views. So out of 137, still we get 40 over here and only 17 people posted. I'll again repeat, Chinone, the ones who were able to open that, there is an option edit collection. You have to click on edit collection. After edit collection, there is a plus icon. You can click on plus icon, add your text over there as per the format instruction given. See, if we know how to do it, we'll be probably able to instruct our students also. So we need to do it. For teaching is easy to reach. Thank you so much. Neha ma'am is from Sanskar Valley School. Yes, thank you, Neha ma'am, for typing. You're typing there. I could see that. Yes, I like Wakelet because it's easy. So I want your ideas also over there, right? from Wakelet, how you could use it, for what subject you want to use it. Now let's see. Now let me, sir, I think they can do it later. We'll start with the demonstration again. So those who are typing their review, I have provided the link. I'll be providing the link again also, and I request all of you to please complete with that review, right? So that I will be able to interact with you in case you have any queries. So let's come back to the screen, all of you. I request all of you to lower down your hand also and just come back to the screen. Let me show you something more interesting in it. All of you please be back to the screen and lower down your hand. Okay, so there I go. I go with my wakelet here, and as I've given a review here, let me only add something here. So when you click on plus, you've already experienced, those who are doing has experienced, you can paste a URL. So let's paste a URL of a textbook. Sir was asking about some Tamil resource. I actually don't know how to read Tamil, but sir, which subject exactly? There was someone who has posted that query. How could I add a Tamil content? Sir, can you suggest me a chapter or anything of Tamil, the name or something, or the book name, author name? Okay, I'll go to Tamil Nadu NCERT science book. Let me, I don't know, I'm exactly not. Yeah, it is Tamil Nadu board on Byju's. I can see the content over here. NCERT books, I'll just go here. So now what we want is we just want a link. We don't want that. Suppose this is the NCERT book page. I want to show it to my students that you can get the book from here. So I will copy this link, Control C. I'll copy this link. Please pay attention to my screen. After copying, I'll come back to my Wakelet and I'll paste it here. So you can see as soon as you paste any link, a preview comes here. Tamil Nadu Samachar Kalvi books, school textbooks, online PDF, free download, class 1 to 12. You can go to this link. Everybody, I think those who are on my Wakelet could see this. Again, I click on plus. I go to YouTube. I search for science class 10 explanation in Tamil. I don't know. Sir, do you have any such URL? I am actually unaware about Tamil, but yeah, you can see class 10th chapter part 1 in Tamil. So this was one of the thing which you wanted. You want science full chapter in Tamil for class 10. So I've taken this URL and added here. Totally aware, please listen to this. I don't understand this language, but hopefully that's the content which we want here. So science chapter 10 Tamil. Again, I'm going to plus tweets. Now let's add the latest tweet which is on Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank's page. Who is he? I hope everybody knows the name and is aware that he is the education minister. So let's have Sir's post, today's post on this. I'm just searching for that post from him, and you can see here I found him here. Sir, can you please mute all? So now this is the post which we want to add. We can select this one and I'm adding because this is a language which I don't understand and probably may be useful to you all. So I've added a video. I have added this. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I've added some post. I can delete it also. This is the post which I was talking. So now let me show you how it looks. Let's click on done. Anybody has any queries, please ask. Again, I'll scroll down and I'll show you whatever I added is here. There is a Tamil. Yes, sir. Yeah, sir. Please. Please. Yes, sir. Uh, Yes, sir. I have unmuted myself. I was listening to your suggestion. Probably Tamil resource you could better guide. Uh, yeah. Like simply I have done. Like what I did was I am unaware about Tamil Nadu, so I just searched it from here and I got some content. So I can take this link and put it into my Wakelet. Similarly, I was searching for this tweet, which is I don't know which language is this, sir. Any idea? It's Tamil. So I didn't knew about it. I searched for it and I got it. So you can, yeah, and this is a video I have added in Tamil. So you need to search and add whatever you want at one place, and you know what happens is your students are able to use it. Now, suppose this was for review. I didn't want to add all this thing right now in this Wakelet particular. So I have by mistake added something which I want to delete. So you can just scroll down, or your students have added something which you don't find appropriate. Simply go to that particular tweet or post and delete it. Select and delete. It's as simple. So you can any time moderate the content for what students are doing. You can select that content and you can delete it. So I hope this you are going to use it. Somebody has done this. You do what you love. I can delete that because we don't want that. So please start posting your views, reviews on this. And yes, today's achievement code I'm sharing with you all so that you can redeem the trainings also. Yeah, see, Vignesh sir has already uploaded something over here. So please don't upload it here. Do it in your practice sessions. Just to give me the review over here. How are you going to use Wakelet? So I'm going to post your review to the Wakelet team also. So right now, please don't upload it here. Create your own Wakelet new collection and do practice over there. So this Wakelet is just for review. So let's use it only for review. Only 4 days are there for the Wakelet contest. This class is very useful. Thank you so much. Yes, there is a Wakelet contest, and yes, I'll show you that how to get into Wakelet resources. So very quickly, again switching back to Wakelet, you can see a showcase and search. Now, if I click on search and write here science, enter, I will find all the Wakelet resources which are ready-made in the subject of science. You can see here, and I can see them, I can experience them, I can save them, like science for policy and policy for science, science practices. If I scroll down, you can see beautiful collections are there for science. There is an experiment one. I'll open this collection. Let's see what is there in that collection. So this is how you can open a ready-made collection, and suppose you loved it and you want to show it to your students, just click on save. This will bookmark this and you can find it in your collections and you can show. Even you can share it directly. There is a share button, click on share. A link is generated, copy that link. Now the link which I have given to you and which you are seeing on my screen is different. The screen पे जो आप देख रहे हो, whatever you are seeing on my screen is a link for students. It is not collaborate, it's a viewable link. Only people could view with this. If I post this link to you, you cannot add to it. So if you want someone to add, what you are going to do is first save it and then invite. Copy, we can even copy, we can make the same copy of the thing to us. So there are three options. Save means bookmarking. The Wakelet will remain at the original location. You are just saving it as a bookmark. Second is share. You can share to view to your students. The children, there is a good Wakelet, you can view this. The third one is copy. You are creating a copy. Let me copy this. I have created a copy, science collection, and I clicked on copy. Now let's see what happens. So duplicate is created in my home. When I go to home button, I will find that science here. If I scroll down, that file which I copied will come here down. So it will be added as my own Wakelet. Now I was talking about collaborative link. So what do you understand by collaborative link? So you can see your bookmarks. I've already bookmarked so many, 126. So you can go like this. So I hope this is clear. Everything. Phone. So next is yeah, you can see so many are there. I have bookmarked infographics, science we were talking, slow motion chemistry it's here, YouTube video I have bookmarked. So my students whatever they are doing also comes to me. Science journal you can prepare. Now the biggest challenge sir what we all are facing in classroom is journal entries. बाकी तो we people can teach online whatever it is we are able to teach, but what about journal entries? How will the students submit their journal? So yes, they can submit their journals by going to the journal entries. They can document their science experiment, and then they can give the link on your Wakelet. So this is how record the observations. So this is possible. So probably I've shown you a way to do it. My video is there in Hindi also over there, how to go about it. And yes, these are few settings. You should know how many people are following you. You people can also following my Wakelet also. Yes, I'm going to share this link with everyone. This is going to help you in my collections. How to use Wakelet. So kindly take this link, read it, follow it. I'm copying this address, link address, how to use Wakelet to you all, and pasting it into the chat area again. Anybody has any query, please keep on posting, right? How to create collaboration? Yes, so sorry. I will create the collaboration for you. We have both English and Tamil medium student. This tool is no. It's helpful for all of you. It depends on what content Subramanian sir you are making. You are making a Tamil content in Wakelet. You are having all the Tamil links over there. Probably your Tamil medium students also will be able to access this. And yes, here I've shared the link how to use Wakelet. And very important thing of all is redeeming your code so that you get the points added to your profile. So I'm giving you that copy link also. Anything else or they want to ask, they can. I'm open for queries. So anybody has any query, you could unmute and please ask me. Yeah, please. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, good evening. Yes, ma'am. You've created the Wakelet. Hello. Ma'am, I'm not able to hear you. Hello. Yeah, ma'am, tell me. I'm not able to hear you. Can you please repeat, ma'am? Yeah, you don't need to add student. What you can do is you create a Wakelet, generate a link, and yeah, how to add means the way which I have given. Okay, fine. I'll just share my screen very quickly with you all. And yes, I have shared a message, sir, where the videos for how to do about Teams also I've shared with them. In case they want to learn about Teams also, a redeem code I have shared with them which they can redeem and the review form. Okay, I'll just very quickly show you how to collaborate. How could student collaborate on it? Can you please mute all, sir, once? Uh, yeah, can you please help me mute all once? My screen is shared now. Probably I'll get back to you and I'll show you how could a collaborative link be created. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, I'm back here and suppose I want people on this link, right? So what I'm going to do is I will just quickly scroll up. Let me take some, yeah, this one is empty. I've taken this one, right? I'm just clicking on view collection, and once you click on view collection, you will find invite. Invite is where we have to invite students to collaborate. But in case you want students to only view, you have make a lesson plan and students have to just view, then please go for share. Do not invite them. Sharing is something where I'll just change the visibility, then only I'll be able to share with others. So I'll make it unlisted. So this is the visibility. Now if I copy this link and share ma'am to the students, that means I'm just asking them to view my lesson. But if I want students to work on a project, invite and share this QR code. Either you can ask them to scan this QR code or you can copy this invite code and share. Like copy link, I have copied it, and then whatever Teams, if you are using Teams, I will just go to the meeting chat, paste it and share. This is how we do now. I hope this I was clear to your question, ma'am. Now I request everyone, please look at the chat area. There is a redeem code given. I'll just quickly copy that redeem code again for you. so that it is separated from the rest of the message, go to education.microsoft.com and redeem this code for your training. I'll check here also and I'll show you how to do it. Again, I'll repeat, go to education.microsoft.com. That's what I'm doing along with you. Just go to education.microsoft.com, sign in with your account. Sir, I probably assume everybody has an account as per Dilip sir said. Okay, so please click on your sign in account. Like for example, I have taken up that code and now I'm trying to sign into my account. Let me create sign in with my existing account. And on the right top corner, redeem code. So I have given that code in the chat area. Please redeem the achievement code. With here you copy paste the code and redeem. So I've kept it on my screen so that you will get some points for the training, and probably your trainings will give you worth in your profile also. So this training code I've already shared with all of you. Any queries, I'm here. You can always ask me. Sir, I hope none of the points were left out. I tried my level best to complete the wakelet in a more illustrated way. Fine. We have done contributor link, I think, yes, and these are some of the useful links that also I'll copy paste from my slides and I'll give it to them. Yeah, redeem achievement code. This is what I've given. Instead of this code, please use the code which I've given just now. Okay, fine, fine. So I'll just, yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll just go to my slides and edit that much. That code I need to edit. This was the KV code. Probably I can change this one. Paste the new one. Is it 56207, sir? Can you please confirm from the meeting chat? KSD9A 56207. Okay, done. So fine. I'll just put this slide so that they can capture the picture of the steps and everything. That would be great. Yeah, I understand. I understand. So all of you request you to click the picture of this so that you can redeem it later also, the code. You can have a picture of this one. Yeah. To you. Okay, fine. So great. So I am open for queries. I wanted that time to be saved. I was actually waiting for that instruction. Yeah, definitely. So I've just stopped sharing my screen, and yes, let me come back to the Teams window. And yes, any queries, please speak up. Anybody who is raising hand, we can take them in for the queries, sir. Okay, Subramanian sir, can you please unmute? Yes, sir, can you please unmute? Acha is leaving. He tried to unmute and is leaving. Anybody else wants to ask something, please? Yeah, Vignesh sir, please. Yeah, I'll tell you. You simply have to go to the collection from the search any of the collection, and when you will open that collection, you will find three options: share and the share, save, share, and copy. So you can just click on copy, and it will automatically get copied to you. Did you try that, sir? Okay. Okay, so probably that person has not allowed anyone to copy. There is in settings there. Like for example, for our wakelet also we can keep that copy settings. When we open any of the wakelet on the left top corner, you will find settings. So from that settings, if you don't allow others to copy, so in few of them maybe there is a possibility they might not have allowed copying. So that's why you're not getting that. Yeah. Okay. So I request all of you, there's a small form there for the feedback review, and for any of the trainer or educator, what matters lot is the review. So if you find that you're going to use Wakelet in future, you want any of the queries also, please put it, there's a review form attached over here. I'm going to share the same message to sir in WhatsApp also, so that he can circulate it to you people. And yes, please fill up the feedback form given with MS form, redeem your code, achievement code, and any queries on Wakelet any time. You can watch the video which I have embedded in the Wakelet link which is provided, and you can watch it on National ICT webinar channels also. You will find all the videos, but probably they are in Hindi. That's the issue. So yes,